Debnath Art Hub.
Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a ice cream. Let's draw it. This is a black pen marker. Now we will draw a tasty ice cream. Yay! At first we will draw the ice cream cup. Now we will draw the ice cream. The 3 flavor ice cream. And some toppings on the ice creams. Yay! Like that. Now we will use the thick marker for bordering. Let's learn the colors name. This is our colors. Light yellow color, green color, orange color, yellow color, dark pink color, brown color. Let's draw the tasty ice cream. At first we will draw the ice cream cup. This is brown color. Which color, kids? This is brown color. The ice cream cup is brown color. Then we will use the dark pink color for top of the ice cream. Yay! Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. This is orange color. Now we will use the yellow color. Yes, like that. Now we will paint the toppings by green color. The toppings color is green and light yellow. Like that. Thank you, kids. Bye bye.